Hi guys, did a bit of filming earlier on the SYMA X3. When I watched the video back, most of it's useless. I've got a dirty, greasy thumbprint over the lens there. So, well, it looks quite artistic, all blurred and fuzzy around the edges, but I've got about 20 minutes of video there that's a complete waste of time. I'll put a little clip of it up, but I'll just have another go with it now. It's dark outside now, so we can't go out and fly. So I'll just see if I can do a couple of little flips or something in here, in the kitchen. There really isn't very much space for doing that sort of thing, but this is where the lighting is the best. So, switch that on, plug that in. We'll start off on the floor, logical place to start. Forwards, backwards, solid light, so we should be okay to go. Stand right back, so we try and keep it in frame. It's getting buffeted around a bit because the wind from the rotors is being bounced back off the side of the wall and things like that. We might have to go out into the conservatory. There's just a little bit more space out there, but the lighting's not so good, so a bit darker. Still haven't got the hang of keeping the hover right. Very touchy on the throttle. Okay, so that was a forward roll. Backwards roll. Can you go right? Just trying to get a stable position. Right, right. Okay, so that's the basics. No, come back. Whoa. Bit too close to the roof that time. It does seem to lose power very quickly when you do any, is it yawing, turning it left and right? Yeah, stuck now. I don't know why it should be so sensitive, but it is. It's as simple as that. So a bit more space, a bit more height, and you wouldn't have a problem. Right, I'll just try and turn it gently without losing so much height. It may just be that the button, or whatever you want to call it, doesn't centre properly and it drops back a bit, something like that. That may be the problem. Yeah, it seems to be alright if I do it gently, but if I try and do a little flip round, it's doing it alright now. Oh, overcompensated. Yeah, I get the impression that doesn't flip straight back. Yeah, I think it's alright if I keep my thumb on it, but if I take my thumb off and just flick it across, that seems to be when the problem occurs. Yeah, that seems alright. Yeah, yeah. As soon as I flick it, we lose the height. I think we're just about to run out of battery. Yeah, that's it, out of battery. Okay, well we learnt a few more things there. We can roll or flip, whatever word you want to use. And if I just try what I was doing, which is just flicking it round, then that's when it tends to suddenly drop. And I think what happens is the lever is coming down as it's flipping back. If that makes any sense to any of you who know what I'm talking about. The gimbal, instead of just flicking straight back, it's coming down a little bit, and that's why I'm losing height when I do this to try and get it to just flick round. If I kept my finger on it, we were all right. That'll do.
Hey, Thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.